how to deposit a check in Lloyds Bank. Now, there are two things or two ways that you can do or deposit a check using the Lloyds Bank. The first thing that you can do is to deposit a check online with the Lloyds app. So all you have to do is to go to your Google Play Store if you're using an Android device, download your Lloyds Bank application. Now, once you have downloaded it, just simply log in or create an account. All you just have is just to input your Lloyds Bank's account number and so on and so forth. Now, once you have successfully logged into your account, for you to be able to deposit a check, the first thing that you do is choose Deposit Check. This is usually located at the three dot menu on your Lloyds Bank app. And then make sure that your check is less than 6 months old and the recipient name is correct. Then enter the amount of the check. Then if you want to add a reference to remind you who the money is from or what it is for, you can just manually type it in. Now this is going to be the part in which you'll have to take a picture of your physical check. Now select front of check, then picture it out. Then if it asks, just allow access your camera. You'll also have the back of the check pictured out. Just have to repeat the process, allow all apps on the camera, even if it is black. Now check the details and confirm it. Now once everything is correct, all you have to do is just to confirm everything and then keep the hold of the check until the money is available. Then you can get rid of the check if the deposit was successful. So that's how you do it on Lloyds Bank app online. You can also do it on the physical store for your convenience. So you just have to go to the nearest Lloyds Bank app on the nearest area on your location and then have them deposit your check. So those are the things that you can do for you to be able to deposit a check in Lloyds Bank.